Welcome to Massachusetts, Cape Cod. Welcome to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Ooh. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Yeah. What do you think of that? Watch this. Oh yeah. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Hurricane Bill came through here Sunday, but didn't leave many effects here at Cape Cod, where the seafood is fresh, and so are the waitresses here in Cape Cod. I understand this is the home of Cheers. Oh, that's Boston. Oh, here comes some nice crisp water. Look at that. And notice down here, hardly anybody on the beach. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. It's about 9:30 in the morning. And we're having a good time. Except when Casey's complaining. Hi, honey. Hi, Casey.
Hi.
Come hither.
Oh no, I'm getting my phone wet.
Don't get your phone wet. Let's zoom out. Hold on. Come here. Come here.
Hi.
We're on vacation and we're having fun, even though Casey's complaining a lot. Oh, she's taking off her clothes. Put some sunscreen on. Goodbye, everybody. That's our movie for today.